On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Yep, look what I bought. Greenworks 2000 PSI electric power washer. 1.2 gallon per minute. I was gonna go through the unboxing and everything, but this is right out of the box, except I had to put the wand together. Now, one thing, when I was looking to buy this, I wasn't sure, but now I am. The hose reel is pressurized. I have a gas one up north that didn't have this. It has a hose reel, but it wasn't connected through. So every time it hung off the end, you'd have to disconnect it and roll it back up. This is a lot heavier than my Ryobi I got up north. A lot heavier, like twice as heavy. So I think it's going to do a good job. But my Ryobi doesn't have the PSI that this does. It even comes with a turbo nozzle, the spray nozzle for when you add the additives, or the multi-purpose pressure wash concentrate. Then it has a 25 degree and a 40 degree. Got a little hand reel. Power. A little spot to hang the wire. Built-in GFI. It does have the holder for the gun. It does take the standard tip, quick disconnect tip. You can lay this down and use it, work it in any position. And there's the soap or the pressure washer concentrate tank. Looks like it's built pretty good. I know Greenworks been around for a while. Got a strainer on the hose inlet. Crank with a folding handle. Let's see how she works. That's a little cheesy. Walmart stuff. We got our water turned on and hooked up. No leaks. Bleed her out. I need soap. Oh, see, it's all plastic, huh? Still got air in it. It's supposed to fill up and shut off. There. It's got automatic shut off. It says to pull it all out in the directions, but let's get some soap. There, fishing poles and all. Put some lube. Thank you. Permanently stained. That is working. Some of these stains aren't going to come out for sure. Direct spot stuff, I have to find out what to use. Probably what people mentioned on my other boat video. It looks like it did a pretty good job. It didn't get everything. The front is kind of checked from the sun, so it's never going to take that out. All in all, I think it did a pretty good job. Good job, Greenworks. We'll do the outside. All clean. So what do I think about the Greenworks pressure washer? I definitely like it better than my Ryobi pressure washer. Definitely has more pressure, you can feel that. And it's got a decent gallon per minute flow, so you could probably almost do a driveway with it. I think it's worth the money. I think it did a fine job. 2 thumbs up, recommended by MotoCheez. Made a bit of difference on the rails. And these steps are nasty. Looks pretty good on my old Florida cabin. So yeah, I think that thing works pretty damn good. Pretty good. Let's see how it rolls up. There. Not too shabby. Cleanup is quick. A lot heavier than it looks. Find a home for that later.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.